Hi, Mike with Tsunami Compressed Air Solutions. Today I want to talk to you about finding the right filter or dryer package for your application. We get people that reach out to us with questions about, well, do I need this filter package? Do I need this dryer system? And a lot of the times, whether it's a plasma cutter or a spray booth, you will have a specified compressed air ISO standard that's required for your system. A lot of the times it'll say, simply provide clean, dry air. Well, unfortunately, that's very vague and doesn't help you out specifically, but depending on your climate or area that you work, a filter package may be sufficient, or other areas, a dryer system would be required. With ISO standards, the dew point figure that's kind of within the industry well known is that negative 40-degree dew point. A filter package by itself cannot achieve that. A refrigerated dryer by itself cannot achieve that. You would need some sort of desiccant system to make sure you're getting below zero dew point, as well as if you have really critical applications around negative 40 or lower, a desiccant system 100% would be required. Click the link in our description that will take you to our ISO schematics page that will help you determine the best filter package or dryer system for your application. Of course, if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call at 800-782-5752 or visit us at tsunami.us.com.